Okay. Qhwaba uphi qhwaba. Yazi samva bamba.
1, 2.
Qhwaba. Yaring. Ndingabambi nje.
Khwabi.
Hayi it's fine.
Uyabethelwa.
Hayi but ufonela ngenamba yakho ku WhatsApp nje.
Which is why benobuyayibamba.
Naku busy.
More busy ntoni.
Yajola. Oh. Ulisa Thursday weekend iqaleni.
Oh, no ku fish fry. Hey, iqala strong le
But this could
episode.
be done. Like it would have worked if it was done over airtime. Nganofakela pressure ne. But airtime ID.
Makes sense. Airtime.
Because then it's like also
Okay.
caller ID disabled so that ingayazi ba it's a prank because now
It's
also
not a prank. Akamprank uzamxelela bam, yeah.
oh okay interesting
Yetona.
It's not a prank.
interesting people
Uzamxelela
break
nje.
up over pranks hey
It's
I
not a
almost lost the
prank.
relationship just generally
Xa inothi
Get
ndithi ke ngoku Cat le information zawuthini mina. Uthe
Soze
ngathi
athethe
set up
long.
mna nje.
Soze athethe long.
Ngathi set up le.
ukhona oh okay
Soze.
Sure.
Yabona.
and now you it's like oh okay okay undixelele
Ibi idea yakhe.
yeah hayi kuthi bra
Please.
Bra.
Ibi idea yakhe just in case udumza unportle hey.
Ngicela negama. Kuwe ke umoshayo. Okay, let's try and call.
une crush bra
Oh, na phone na send a message.
une crush
You
bra
could Zoom call Jan. More.
Oh, okay. I love me a man.
indoda
who's on
mayibe
a
busy.
Zoom call on a
Yeah.
Thursday
You know?
because yeah.
akekho
Imagine
kwi-fish
masithi bendikwa
fry.
WhatsApp call.
Eish. Indoda mayibe busy.
Yeah, indoda mayibe serious.
Yeah.
Indoda mayibe ne plan, mayikhumshe ibe kwi meeting.
You know?
You know?
Yamcenga on just a minute of your time done sekonini.
Hayi bra.
Yeah?
I know.
Uzabuyela kuthi.
I know.
Nango type.
I know. Umcenga.
Nombuza cima ndifuna imali. Andifuna imali.
Cabo zeziya.
Le nditsho ba azange ndayithetha lena. Andizibali lento ezingathi zifanana.
Ne?
It's not me.
But a prank would be nice. Hey?
I don't.
Please type
I
because I'm
actually
gonna
wanna
talk now. Damn. Okay. Later then. Yarr.
Amthanda lona.
Yes, sis.
Mimi. Mio.
What else can we try this on? Yo.
I don't know.
Yo.
Me, I like a prank. I know someone. But he's
Zingamisela abantu
I know
ngenhliziyo
people
guys.
who would play along to the prank,
Uh-huh.
you know, because gay. Bayawathanda nabo amantombi. Kanya
okay,
thuka
no.
sisi inkosi.
Oh,
Uxolo.
Stima sam.
More. Into ku Zoom na kubana omnye ngoku more.
Umfonela. Na airtime.
Yeah, I think I have.
Okay.
Kuba
I-prank ke ngoku le.
This is a prank. Hi.
kubano.
Gama lakhe ngumbali. Awuthanda gqitha amantombazana.
Uzawuthini
So
kaloku?
wandilibala ngo hi mbali unjani?
Damn.
Cela ukubona kaloku. Cela ukubona. Hayibo wandilibala.
Into eserious. Yabuza into eserious.
Uthi no
Yabuza into eserious. Ingxaki andibengafuni be prank lena. I just want at this moment. Yabuza into eserious ndithi ewe.
Wait, is this
Yeah.
part of the
Yes. But it's taking too long. I didn't think.
it's very long and odd. And also just calling someone who most people will be like, okay, cool.
Most people what?
We're not calling a mini Lamini. We're not calling a
No, why?
Waziwayo where, you know, they understand. Then it's like, wow.
Sure.
Nismise 4 minutes for Uba.
Ubani? Okay.
Dumza umaswana.
Angomaswana. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, let's start the show then. Ayenze guy sebenzang. Oh, igods zakhe come and ngixelele ancestors zakho on your side.
Shame.
What if? Okay.
Who's the team?
Hayi yanga
I
chief.
don't know. It sounds. What if? Ngumsasazi sharp.
Let me do this. inkungu man. More.
Yo.
Hayi noma sizekhatha lepata isebenzanga.
Kwawundithumelela ivideo ke mina ke pha. Wandiyeka kanti inkungu.
Fi.
Ku-special someone.
Yeah. Come again. Shubile enhle.
Hi, unjani?
I did.
Hello.
Still I did.
I can't hear. Hi, unjani? Ndiyaphila Nkosi Akhondo. Khawugeza uthetha naba?
Don't do that, please.
Please take a guess.
I know the voice. Don't do that.
You know my voice?
Yeah.
Hectic.
My name is Enhle Katikati.
Yes. I'm so happy. Voice yam uyayazi.
Yes, go cool.
Hayi bensithi manje kucheck isho bu right na. Oh, okay. I'm so sorry.
And I said, meeting it, but again, it's right.
Oh, it'd be worth it xesha lakho.
Unless a number could be worth it.
Okay, chat later.
Ne?
Okay, cool. Okay, when's Zamnik? Sure.
I'm not bullish into Lumlo wife right it or clean up bullish.
Anganibullish ne.
To doing that. Now I saw the answer.
Oh, okay, cool.
You'll overpower me. So no.
Gotta go now. It was lovely chatting. Bye.
Yeah, let me finish now.
Okay, cool. Bye.
Hey, what's up, students? Mr. Nation and to my players. Welcome to the Naifu Podcast, Players Edition. We are coming at you live at the blog, Electronic Solutions. And if you want to use this podcasting studios, you can send your email at admin@electronicsol.com. Today in the studio, we are joined by Kamagu Kosane. This is Obuhle Siu. And then this is Enke Cat. That's a guy.
It's
Come all the way from Tanzania, all through.
Yes.
Yeah, dominate.
043.
5219.
Yeah, do your intro and then do your intro. I just did mine.
Dinayo ka na intro?
Do you have one?
I don't think so.
Thank you. The pressure of people who have intro.
Guys,
Hey,
Show up, Jensen. Gone.
No, man.
Oh, okay. Now next.
molweni, igama lam ndingo-Enhle Cat, Gatsi. Yeah, iphele lapho.
Yile yenza brat, don't do that. Yeah, no, kuma umuntu xa ekubhlashisa. Man yena don't do that. Siyenza loo nto, ngicela ukufota, ngicela sifote beba man.
Don't do that.
Siyenza loo nto.
Okwenza wego.
Xa ublasha, hayi man, like nento efani siyenza ngela xesha uthi do it more please. Ndiyacela deep down uthi.
Guys, kanti ibras ziyablasha nazo na?
Yeah, le bra. Yayiva. I-voice don't do that.
Don't do that.
Akho shosho bra. Bayibi shosho bra yeah. Kwenzeka nto? Don't do that. No man, iphathe kahle. Hey, ine reason le bra.
Ukraine.
I'm good. Ninjani guys?
Also in a good space, had a really dope week. But dope, it was just like one of those weeks where Umdu is in tune with isiko sakhe. So dinzwambu man, ndifilisha nzwambu, yabo. Yeah. Your side?
Yeah, it was a good week, yes. I haven't slept in 4 days.
Did you do something nice for the mother in your life?
I have no mother in my life.
Your baby mama.
Oh, tumagenza mama
Na.
Yeah?
Njani kodwa umenza umama? Kuthiwa kaloku
Umenza umama?
Kuthiwa the people who celebrate, right, who have the responsibility to gift or to make their mother's life easy is the person who, made you become a mother. Yabo, and you made
So
her
go
become
together
a
nalo
mom.
person.
Kaloku
Still nalo
Yewethu
Umntana
besinale
khona.
conversation actually eshowini le
Yeah.
apho besibuza khona uba xa abazali benomntana and then bohlukane. Is it odd for any partner to show appreciation?
It's odd. It's very odd. you have a kid, ne? You get married to someone else.
Sure.
We are good. Mna as someone else. Dating a Mother's Day, I'll do something nice. We don't have a kid together. I'll do something nice to appreciate you because I see the works that you're doing on your own child. One see to Bobo take it, but a message like, oh, you are the best mom ever.
But am I not? But am I not? You're the best mom to our child. You're the best mom to our child.
That's why there's a movement with Instagram too. There's no reward for being a stepdaughter.
Oh.
Reward yakho zinto ezimbi. Uhlonipheki.
But you don't know, no, let's talk about it. You guys are not romantically involved. Chances are now you chatile or now you
relationship.
Why can we not celebrate or share an
That's why
why must there be bad blood?
Mother's Day, my appreciate umama wakhe. Kwenzela bangaxabanisi.
Why, guys?
Ayixabanisi xa umuntu esathi Mother's Day kumama wakhe. Ayixabanisi ngoko. Noba bayi-20 abantwana batsho kumuntu oyi-1 uyavuya because ngabantwana bakhe. Iyaxabanisa xa so uno-baby date abayi-4. Mna kulo wesihlanu uthe xa nisithi ndifuna umntana wathi cela sitshate kuqala.
Sure.
So now funeka mna ndinyamezele ezi gift zizayo on 4 different directions.
Okay, now here's an instance, right? Uchatile or yes, masithi uchatile. Uchatile nje kukho umntana osuka kwi-previous relationship or umchato aze nepartner yakho. Mother's Day.
As a partner.
Yes. So you're married, right?
Yeah.
And then your partner comes with a child from the previous relationship. You both live in the same house, all of you guys, right? Ge Father's Day, lamtana funeka ngatsho kuye ba Happy Father's Day.
Angotata yakhe.
Oh. Nzali.
So angatsho Happy Father's Day.
But also
in fact aninawo nowenu umntana.
Usebenzisa into wrong because umntana no tata is not the same as ipartner nenye partner.
Usebenzisa
umzekelo.
I think mahlale nikle yabazali, mahlale nikle yabazali.
Because jonga for example, le mntana uyakwazi ukuba ukuthi usi stepfather. Uyabo still nayo father leyo. But kulena ipartner ayikho into yobana step partner ondontoni. Awungeni ndawo wena.
So when I don't understand, it's like umntana uneparty. Asizoze party.
Man,
because we don't. I'm saying we don't text. We are not people who talk. Why can I not show appreciation? Funeka xa ndithetha funeka xa umuntu ethetha ibe akondli akasupporti, but on a good thing akakwazi ukuthi thank you for being a great dad. Is it not a pat on the back? Like I know if I'm doing a great job, I would want someone to appreciate.
Umzekelo 820 to support what you are saying. Umzekelo ungaka when wenza imizekelo 820 ibingekafikeleli nofikelela kulona. Sithethe ngaMother's Day, sithethe ngabirthday, sithethe ngokondla. Sithethe ngaMother's Day.
You can't do that because I gave you reasons why I said it's okay for mothers to be celebrated by or father, no babako together. And then you were like, no, but I gave you that reason. So for you, it wasn't enough. You could have just said it's not enough and we move on. Now I'm giving you examples because you basically
Mandi example buyenzile mntase usithi kutheni ngathi it's okay when it comes to dragging abantu abangobhuti because kulula man ndingathi ayonto ifani xa mhlambe ndikuposta wena as a baby daddy ndikudrag apha kwi social media. Why can I not show appreciation xa usenza into enhle? Kutheni lento ufuneke nina ningabantu abangodada? Kutheni singazukwazi ukunipraise when you're actually doing good? Kutheni lento ufuneka siniposte only xa sininyelisa in public?
I get that, yabo.
The same way even in your friendship, right? You would want to appreciate your friend for being a good friend to you or someone else in the family.
Okay,
I
guys,
don't see it
I
being
think
weird.
we are making...
Maybe singanga post a picture ka mama, you could post a picture yomntana no mama.
Sorry, Opine.
You
are missing my point. That's why in situations imizekelo ngezinye. My thing is between ipartner nepartner, friends nentontoni, cela singazifaki ne, masithethe strictly on the context. Okay, jonga Obi. Wena unalomuntu naye ne. Umuntu naye ungumzali komnye umuntu. Utata walamntana utacha lo muntu naye ba upost picture yakhe in fact. Happy Mother's Day nguwe ondenze utata. It's been a ride. Uthi wena that would be fine with you.
Yes.
now you would be fine with that.
Yeah. Because i-ex-partner yomyeni wami okanye ye-boyfriend yami ishowa i-appreciation kubhuti lona. It shows into yoba ungumuntu ogrand. Nam ngenye imini should I find myself kula point uzaba ngulaa mntu. You know, it shows by he's a good person.
Maybe I have work to do on myself.
Yeah, I think
It wouldn't sit well with me.
if you think about it logically, there's absolutely nothing wrong with it. But again, people are emotional.
Yeah.
Right? So you cannot take away the emotion out
Yeah.
of a relationship. Right? So emotionally, and it's not even a good emotion, I think. I don't know how to label it, but emotionally, I understand why you would feel some type of way. Because it's like, why?
Also,
Akho need.
like-
Umunomthumelele i-message.
I-message right
separately.
yona masiye kuposta ke uba
I-message right.
ubaby dad undithumelele i-text. Is that fine?
Kwamna ekuqaleni bendisithi umuntu makacelebrate makacelebrate umzali wakhe for Mother's Day. Acelebrate utatakhe, umamakhe for Mother's Day, utatakhe for Father's Day. Ipartner
So now man
celebrate
celebrate
Valentine's.
Okay.
Umntana uzakubhalela umrhoqololo happy Mother's Day akunike, that's your Mother's Day gift until
Okay.
akhula thina mna ndime kulo nto mna ndindedwa ke nina nithi hayi it's fine kuni andiyazi incedile futhi yangabantu ba different aba because I sure if bekunye hotman bizovumelana it's fine ndiyaluza accept aba ndiyaluza.
Masive kwi-comment section bathini.
Yeah.
Masive kwi-comment section.
I love how you're such a radio person.
Yeah,
Because I normally do that. I'm like, what do you guys think? Because in my head,
Yeah.
I'm like, yeah, interact.
You know?
Chat. Sorry.
Okay. No, I understand. Mna ndikuloyelo because ngeValentine's you celebrate abake ngo xa uzawucuba ufaka no baby date.
No. I-Valentine's
same.
haya.
Hey, umntu oyi-one.
Ye-partner yam.
So
Baby dad hayi bo.
Mother's Day yanto
Yeyo
ngamamakho.
mntwana.
Yabo?
Yeyo
Ansicingise
mama umntanam. Yeyo mama
Kodwa
umntanam.
nasi ucingisa.
Yeyo mama umntanam.
wena.
Yes. The same way a husband.
As wena unguwe ndisuncela ngomama umntana kunomntana phiwana yeke loo nto ndithetha as nini i-Valentine's Day kaba yepartner yakho ne.
Umzekelo jonga ngoku
Claiming
manthethe
I
ngam.
believe no believer kuyo.
Manthethe ngam.
Okay,
Ndinomntana
masithethe
ne.
ngam. Sure.
Umntana usemncinci guys.
Yes.
Akakho mdala enough oba angabhala i-letter. Okay bayazenza esikolweni basiphathele but still ayo idea yakhe. Influence kaMiss. Yethunana utata umntana hayibo. What the heck? And
What
also
the heck? Yeah, what the heck?
guys uthwala
Okay.
umntwana for 9 months.
Umthwalela ba?
Ngobomi bakho uyobeleka
Ndimthwaliswe ngubani?
esibhedlele
That's the question.
osawugqiba ndiqinisekisa into yoba umntwana wakho uphila the best life possible uba ke mhlawumbi wena ungakwazi uhlala naye
Okay.
because ke uyazibona moses away surely bro you need to say something ngala mina inoba ngathi akwenzeki into
Yes.
majita.
My thing is, guys, you want to see look a bad words. You guys,
I
you're making
understand it.
examples.
I
My
actually
thing
understand
is,
that.
mna if ukuthiwa Valentine's on my side, babe kuthiwa Valentine's ne anniversary, that's why you focus on your partner. Xa kuthiwa Mother's Day, that's why you only focus on your mother. Ungathi happy Mother's Day sis wam. Cousin wakho omdala kunawe you play the role kamama ntoni.
No but iyenzeka loo nto abanye abantu baposta omakazi babo ngala
Sensithi ke
mina.
kum mna ndithetha ngam ngoku ne mna when I interpret those things xa kuthiwa zinto ze-anniversary
Sure.
business zonto xa kuthiwa Mother's Day ubhizi nomamakho xa kuthiwa Father's Day ubhizi notatakho that's my thing.
Yazi enye i-comment ngala mina sincokola ngale nto ikhola iye yangena yathi jonga baby mama ndipost baby mama mna andithumela into ku baby mama yabo ndizawuwishela owami umama nabanye omama baselifini yami ndiqonda uba abanye omama baselifini yakho ngaphandle kwalo ukwenze utata.
akangomama
The thing is, for me,
this
right,
is my thing
Another thing-
akangomama
You're
wakhe
going to appreciate everyone.
another thing.
Ngaphandle
odlala
kwalo
irole kamama nothi okwenze utata ukwenze
Ne?
utata yena
But
kadlala irole
it's
kamama
Mother's
kuwe.
Day. It doesn't say your mother. It's for mothers.
Yes.
Why would you skip
And
a mother? Someone you made a mother. Someone
Exactly.
you actually made
Jonga
a mother.
uphi?
yes I think masibe kolo
That
hlobo.
person
Okay, wait.
wouldn't have been a mother without you.
Oh,
Why
it
can
was
you not
not a good
celebrate?
idea to put you together. Okay, let me explain it like this. Lo mntu ngebirthday yakhe masithe ngixabenanga. Lo mntu ngebirthday yakhe uyafumana happy birthday. Lo mntu ngeanniversary uyayifumana anniversary ntoni. Lo mntu ngeValentine's uyayifumana ntoni. Nange Mother's Day.
it doesn't have to be a gift. It could be just an appreciation
Yeah.
to say, I see you as a mom.
Yeah.
Like, thank you for
Ah.
raising this child with me. And there's a couple that does this well for me. Utibo Touch, no mfazi wakhe, and the ex fiance or ex yakhe. They all co-parent, right? Now Tibo Touch is married. The
The ex-partner.
yes, is not. I don't know her relationship status, but I love how Tibo Touch will celebrate the mom, right? And even the wife will acknowledge and celebrate, the previous partner. Ibeng londo ba no happy because they are all co-parenting. Lamtana kaTibo Touch wasemchatweni uyaya phaya.
Yeah.
Okay.
Befuna ukuya
Asameng
away.
man
Close
as ways,
this off.
that is healthy, but
Co-parent,
it's way,
Close this
man,
off. I have a lot of work to do on myself. I've just realized I have a lot of work. Now I feel like Mother's Day will celebrate umama wako. If umama wako akekho and no one has stepped up to be a mom to you, then that's a day also celebrate umama wako in absentia. That's me. And personally, that's me. But there is ezinye. But I feel like umntu ongusister if bekwi-sisters day buzamcelebrate ngoko umntu ongumakazi if bikhona iday yakhe buzoba ngumakazi oko. But I understand and his sensitive issue ndiyayibona lena.
Yeah.
So
sensitive because I think being a mother is a thankless job.
okay,
It's
so
nice
now
to be thanked
cela ufonele
every once
mamakho
in a while.
umxelele uba uyamthanda
Oh, the thing is, my mom is not like other mothers.
kanjani. Cela ufonele mamakho uthi uyamthanda.
Uzocinga ndiya.
So suicidal, ne?
Uzocinga ifani because even why is someone saying happy birthday to me? That's so weird. Happy birthday.
Yeke
Sakuthi yena
fonele
izofaka
mama.
ikhalenda.
Fonelani mama beni.
Okay. Okay.
Mfonela nawe uyamfonela.
I am
I
calling
want
my
to check
mom.
if deny airtime.
Ungathethi into eninzi, just
I
appreciate.
won't. Hi, Mama. Mama. Ndiyakuthanda. I love you with everything in me. I love you more than anything in the world. I just love you. I love you a lot. Like, you're the most important person in my life. I love you. No, I love you. Can I not love you? Ithi uyandithanda lokhu nawe. Hayibo. I love you. I love you, Mama. Okay. I love you. Mama, andisafuna uvomitha. I'm fine now. Right, ndiye ndathatha inap. Bye, Mama. I love you. Mama, I love you. I'm so sorry. Siyarecorda mama. Kuthiwa masifonele umama bethu sibafonele. You failed the test. You failed the test ngumntaneni and bye-bye. Sihleka bye-bye. Bye-bye, Mama. You failed the test. Bye-bye. So don't say bye-bye.
And ishem ndithanda le nto usibonisile.
I told you, my
How
mom is just
chilo
not
shape.
that
I think when I start off with saying mama we are live kwenzele thi bayaraka abantu bajoy.
She's calling back because ayikayazi bakwenzeka ntoni. Mama, ngutaneyo ohlekayo no Enhle. Ndisestudio siyarecord. Mama, ndiyacela torho we are recording. I love Mama bye-bye. Ndiyacela Mama bye-bye. Cela ningahleki bye-bye mama torho. I-live lento izawuphuma ku-podcast abantu bye-bye mama. Bye-bye ke mama. I love you so much. Cela uthi uyandithanda for the sake of the podcast. Bye. Awuye-chair wena. Bye mama. Bye-bye ke mama. You'll never.
Yo, hayi ndiyamthanda nam shem.
While we wait for this Elqala.
Si, hayi abazali bethu nana.
Shubile. Hawu ungabetha? Ngaqhubekeke ya. Uyengathi nawe ucakanithi.
No. Like his way, bafethu.
Sort of thing.
So are we black families, guys? Sitting, are we recording?
Yeah.
Mama? Hayi ntombi, benifuna ukuthi ndiyakuthanda sithandwa sami yazi. Kanjani? Kanjani basoza? Ndiyakuthanda. Benifuna ukuthi benifuna ukuthi enkosi for everything that you do for us. Siyawubona umsebenzi wakho omhle owenzayo and siyabulela kakhulu sithandwa sami ndikuthanda into engathethekiyo. Kanoko uthini ke ngokwena?
I love you more, guys.
Guys. Oh, okay. Nyansile ndimo wrong. Woo, guys, why screen some actor? Oh, shame. Yeah, but I think
Yeah,
Did she say she loves you? Oh,
Yeah, tell her I love
your
you
mom is
more.
nice.
Eh, umama ke ndiyacinga.
Yeah.
You, yeah, it's very you. I see where you get it from, Moss.
Some people are loved at home.
Now nje.
Nawe nje uyathandwa.
Oh, but that's lovely. Yeah. Bayaraka abantu.
Me, not so much. So that's what I was saying about my mom. My mom doesn't necessarily celebrate Mother's Day. And this particular Mother's Day, because we had a fight, it was like, oh, so now, Mother's Day, you kind of want to,
Sure.
you know, if you're going to cook because you want to, buy me food because you
she's
want to
calling
buy
again.
me food.
Oh.
Appreciate me, Oko, as your mom. And it will not even matter.
Askisi yacima. But ke benifuna nje ubonakalisa umbulelo ntombazana yami endala nditsho into yoba siyawubona umsebenzi omhle osenzela wona ungadinwa ke.
Right kule ndawo kuyo.
Wayubuza?
Hayi ndiyabuza uhleli kakuhle esitulweni right?
Yeah, yonke into right. Ingathi kwenzeka nto?
Hayi ndiyafuna nje uqiniseka ndiyazi nento eyenzekayo.
Hayi ne. I love you girl. Nothing more, nothing less.
Okay, hayi ndiyabulela.
Okay.
Kusho ukuthi kanti amehlo akho avulekile uyabona konke lokuqhubeka.
Wesithandwa sami.
Hayi iyabuleleka loo nto leyo ayiyonto eyenzeka everyday. Buya nini ke ngoku?
Sawubuya pha ngo9. All right, ke. See you later. Ebona abazali bethu bacinga suicidal guys. Right akukhoyo.
Kumnandi.
Ukuthi hey wena.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
also it's very weird like calling your mom like at this time of the night when one you could be out.
Yeah.
And so things happen
Hey.
and you don't know Umzali doesn't even know if you're hijacked and this is your you kubone. So it's like
Imoto.
hijack umntwana emoto. I mean if you get hijacked and I'm in the car with you, am I not hijacked?
Kuhayithi kumoto.
What if I'm
Uzakidnetshwa wena.
Oh,
Ba uya-
nikalile.
Okay, I think
Nikalile.
yeah, I
We're
think
kidnapped.
there's a guest must be civil. Must be civil. So yeah, we've covered 30 minutes. Siyanithanda bazali. For whoever is a mother out there, senifundile ngoku. So I will go and appreciate ke umama wamntana. Even okay, manga even ish. I appreciate umama wonke okhoyo emhlabeni, the job that you do. Yakwazi usendele 150 Taking grocery at 1.5. I don't know how you do it. Uyakwazi kungekho nto wenze kubekho into. I don't know how you do it as well. You know how to make indlu itigunqu. I don't know how you do that. Yakwazi indlu ibe nemali ibe nento yonke xa engekho umzali iba ngathi indlu engenafestire. So whatever it is as a mother that you do out there, we do appreciate it. Ubalekile ungumzali. The sleepless nights umntana emncinci up until umntana akwazi uzilalela yedwa ukumphipha ehambisa uyohlala ezitulweni ekliniki umeet uyohlukudla zonke izinto zinjeyana. It's things we could have never done Tina as men. Even if we were given a chance to change the roles, we would never survive. But you guys do it well futhi and ingathi anidinwa. Enkosini kakhulu ngaloo nto. Thank you so much for bearing yourselves for us as well. Ngoku thina singamadoda amadala sisithi sithandana nani kodwa you see a lack of into ethile from umzali wethu and you cover that up. Ibe ngathi akhonto. So you are doing a good job. We salute you, we appreciate you, we love you. We are fighting even now to protect you kwezinto zenzekayo. So yeah, keep on keeping on. Do not stop. Suncama. Enkosi.
So
Siyabulala.
sincere. Imagine if she heard that on Sunday. Bezawukhala. Awubuzawutyanga la mina.
Bezitshana oqala.
Mother's Day.
Yatyiwa.
Mother's Day. Breakfast. Breakfast.
Sunday Nkosi.
Yes,
Busarha.
breakfast.
Oh.
Okay.
Hey.
At this state of longevity, I don't think there's a reason. You can just get it anytime.
Yeah, but I do think, you know what you just said, and also Maga Entle kind of summed up why I think it is important for mothers to be thanked across. You don't have to do it if you don't want. Uti, itekandu yabona, right?
Yeah.
It actually means a lot because it's like ndiyayenza lento. Siyaxabana sometimes angayilandeli into endithe makayenze enze enye, but for her to see me, it's like uyamva. Yeah,
Kumnandi
just that
ubonwa.
one word, ithe kanti uyabona.
To be loved is to be seen.
That's beautiful. So yeah, man, we literally spent almost 30 minutes talking about mothers.
Hey, Mother's Day.
Hey,
Father's-
Xolisi, ke
Father's
Father's
Day.
Day, please. Singaxoxi.
Asazi
Ungaxeleli
nominini.
ngotatakho uba
Asazi
kwathini na.
nominini.
So Father's Day
But
uzawuthini
on
ke
my
ngoku?
father, on Father's Day, I always like, yeah, rest, you know, like
Rest
yeah,
in peace.
Yes.
Uzawuthini kum ke ngoku?
Zokuthengela monster. Bene energy to keep raising, you know.
Washa.
Kaloku funeka uyipractice le ungayithethi nje ku-podcast uba ucelebrate ungutata.
I'll actually
I can't wait because the Father's Day ngifuna ubabona ke boy-2 ungathiwa hayi kaloku angutatam.
I shame.
no, it's good, and you're
No
a good
data,
dad.
no.
Actually, you're a good
Where's
dad.
mas
Very
today I
thoughtful.
saw a post
Yes.
ndibhalile 2018 uba yo hayi nabantu abangutata right.
Oh, yini.
Ndiyothuka ngoku. No, actually ndandingabafuni man abantwana for the longest part. That's
Really?
why ibinomntana later on. Because for the most part amajita say nabo bonke abantwana endandikhule nawo. Just me, I prolonged it because I didn't think I would make her a great father.
I also do think that kind of part of being a good dad and perhaps a good mom as well. Okay, maybe not with moms because moms are just like, but part of being a good dad is also being a good person. I've seen a lot of like of people who are deadbeats, and when I think about it deep, I'm like, no, but this guy's an asshole. Like generally, he's an asshole. You know, so it only makes sense for him to be an asshole. Nalapa. Yeah, but nomntu sometimes when you play back and you're like, okay, bengamazi ba akazomondla umntanam okanye akazoba present, but when you think about it, you're like, there was signs.
Wawuyiluza wena.
Le chap ibiyiluza
Ubuyiluza
belicenga uba
wena.
mayihlale committed to le nto siyenzayo, right? And it's just genuinely good people who are good guys, yabo. And sometimes
You think I'm a
otata-
good guy?
Yes, sometimes otata, you're a pleasant person.
Hayi bobi.
Pleasant.
Hayi ndiqala uyiva loo nto.
Oh wow. sometimes otata that are present just by them being in the house and, not necessarily connecting with the children as they should be. And who just do it because, if angamka class set up, umkile naye.
Jeez.
Yabo. I think it's the guys who are not good, but because there's so many bad guys out there, and staying at home and being part of the family makes you look good. What I'm trying to say is there are so many bad guys that even a guy who is not good, who's just in jail, can be considered a good guy because
he stayed.
Yes, he stayed. He stayed, but at what cost? He stayed, but
Masingayenzi lona because ngoku safuna singena nakomama bathile.
Yes, it was about
andilifuna uchuku ungaFathers Day. Nilungisile, nilungisekile ngoku. So ngaFathers Day andilifuna uchuku.
Anabeef nabantu abangotata ke nam.
I actually don't.
Zonke ways zakho.
Hayi nam netime yam se-grand like emotion ipholile. Utata umntana kumnandi sipholile.
I think abona abantu bangaposti into ezimbi ngaba banjalo. Abapostayo ngaba mhlawumbe kwa utata wayengekho.
Sure.
Kwa utata umntana naye ulandele utata wakhe. So la trail yobana amadoda zizihamba phaya. Let's move on.
Sure.
Let's move on. So the reading, what are you reading? What are you watching? What are you what? It's reading or what's listening to? Start with music.
We'll start with music.
Let's start with music.
Music.
Yeah.
At the moment, I'm enjoying Brandon Dludlu. Yazi ke guys, enye into endiqapheleyo ne, as artists ziyafika zibhukhwe kule establishment yalapha eMdantsane, zifike, and then only after ke ngoku mna ndizopay attention kubo.
Beze up.
Wayekhona uBrandon eMdantsane, wake waza.
And you ngokayilapha.
Yaqonda
Okay. Yeah.
Ewe benimazi from idols but yeah ucula kamnandi wethu but ngoku
Momelo lobola ngo.
Siye siko.
Siyeza.
Ndiyacula jo.
Oh, ndiyazi kaloku.
Kodwa mina ningandithembi into zakuthi ndingatshata nanini nam.
Chesa.
Ndiyadlala.
Okay.
Ufuna ukuthi andlala? Hayi ndiyadlala.
So you're listening to Brandon Dludlu.
Brandon Dludlu.
Any song at the moment kanye ngamalobola ufuna wena?
Ikhona ingoma. Murder nomfundo mo.
Blessing.
Glory.
Oh, glory. Oh, blessing.
Glory.
Similar.
Oh, yeah, that's now P.
I'm saying it's
enjoying
similar.
la ngoma.
Le nto uyicingleyo.
Nomfundo mo, Nontokozo Mkhize. Murder.
Ngome one?
Thando lunganga angithanda ngalo mthando.
Ngome one le. Ngome
Ngome one, yeah. Anyazi le ngoma?
I don't know.
Guys, it was trending on TikTok.
I don't get my music from TikTok.
The problem,
Okay, fair.
I'm supposed to mention a new artist, not someone.
Everyone.
Okay, so yeah, like I said, even off air, I'm listening to Zahara. I think this past week I went back to Loli, where I went back to Country Girl, and wow, I think there was one podcast we recorded, and I mentioned that one of my all-time favorite songs, Zase South Africa, Seka Zahara, and she was still alive.
Yes.
She was still alive, Undiza, and just thinking about the song and how it makes me feel when I listen to it, I can't help but celebrate her. I think we really lost out on a musical gem. She was really, really dope.
Zahara, guys.
And when you listen back to her music now, it's like a story of someone who is going through life, but she's hopeful. Like in all of her songs, despite her feeling like, this life thing is a lot.
It's rocking
but she was
me,
full of hope, and she wanted better for herself. For Umphefumlo wakhe. I think one of her last songs were Usinda Mphefumlo. Sinda Mphefumlo, Sinda. Like everything is going on around me, but spirit, please be not, do not be contaminated with all of this. So I'm listening to Zahara, really enjoying her. The entire album is a 10 out of 10.
No, but
you
don't
don't
Africa
skip.
month, guys, because been Mamelu Nati nam.
Yeah.
sometime this
like,
week.
Ukuzwane,
No,
you
I
don't
don't Africa month.
You don't
Aye, no skip, my babe.
Ayikho ingoma uqonda.
Hit after hit.
Hit after, like, i-album yonke ikhona lando. It's a good album, but you like 4 songs.
Sure.
Every song kuloliwe, like, you know.
I think the albums are for the most part that
Yeah,
have
sure.
lasted long in
Yes.
music. It's because they gave us such good albums.
Good albums.
Yeah, so
I agree.
yeah, so that's why ungangilimazi. Oh, ukhona no Brandon Dludlu ba. DJ Moscow, Brandon
Moscow,
Dludlu,
yes.
Snethemba
Snethemba
Gonelo,
Gonelo. Oh,
Frank
yes.
Mabich.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Did we have Spotify around that time, or we weren't really paying attention to it?
Around which time?
Sahara.
2011.
Sahara, yes.
There was
So
no
simamele
Spotify.
CD.
Really? Yeah, because
Sidlala
I was
kwi-CD.
actually
Even Nonati.
I was
The
thinking
CD,
about
yes.
it. I'm like, there's something about artists that were big before the digital
Sure.
age. Because then everyone had to know you because Bukhale Modweni, Ebuhlandi, because of
Ebuhlandi,
Burst,
sure.
and the album, I mean, i-CD, ifakwa pha endlini for everyone to hear. Ayimanyelwa ngumuntu efonini, and that's why everyone in the house, if ibithengiwe i-CD kaZahara, everyone in that house is going to know who Zahara
Yeah.
is. You know, if you're an actor with Generations, SABC1, SABC2, SABC3, then everyone's going to know who you are because we didn't have Netflix.
Yeah.
Oh, no, and Baulu Bukelu Generations.
Yeah.
We didn't have Showmix, so everyone had to watch. Basically, we all had to just sit down, sibukele leyo muntu, bese star.
So
Hey,
which one
yazi
song?
ngicinga something ke ngoku kule nto uyithethayo mntase abantu bathanda ukuthi i-celebrity culture yase-South Africa
Yehla.
iyehla
Yes.
inoba yiloo
It's
nto
because
ne
we have options now. So if you are famous on, for example, you're famous on Mnet, right? Omnyundu is probably not even watching Mnet. Babukele Showmax.
Makes sense.
Babukele uMzansi
ndicinga
Magic.
loo nto as I'm listening to her
Ixesha lethu luba zi-celebs, masika ubani.
Uzabe wonke umuntu basically
Aye,
uzabe
wonke umuntu
popular
uzabe
because
popular.
now
And I think, for example, where now you have to leave. I think the only time you get
yes,
that status,
you need to
you
be
need to
international.
leave.
yeah
And then when you come back and yo,
Yeah.
that's in May Airport.
But do you know what's crazy?
Yo.
We've got an entire Tusombedu, but there are people who still don't know who Tusombedu is.
Nyansim.
Bayamazi from the London, but they don't know the real name. It's like Jack, Smazi Kamala Kalamanyao Jack.
No, but I don't think they know the characters because remember, she was introduced to us on movies that were on DSTV. And majority of South Africans, which is so wild because also DSTV, bangati nyan abantu abanayo DSTV. A lot of South Africans still don't have DSTV.
What song were you saying?
So I'm listening to
Ndiza.
Uzahara, but the song in particular Ngundiza.
Sure.
Okay, kuwe Brandon.
Brandon Dludlu.
No, now abantu baninzi babiza.
Yeah.
Sure.
Asithi ungangilimazi ya.
Oh,
Ungangilimazi,
label.
itsho.
Yes.
Kaloku ibiye yam. Okay, so it's fine.
Really?
Ibiye yam le.
Ukhethe yona?
Kaloku yiyo le bendivezile apho when we were
Okay, masiwathathe namalobola. Ikhona nale yakhe no
Are you what? Are you is something happening?
no.
Last time you were here you were single.
Vele mosina
Still
ngoku.
am.
Chini bekunini? I was
am.
here when 3 weeks ago. Ngabe kanti sekutshintshe ntoni nge 3 weeks na? Guys. Yabona wena.
Ingathi uyayithatha like iyenze as the meeting so that
Yes.
and then that was hayibo single utheni siya ku podcast usithi
But
single.
my song man that I've been listening to for a while Nokia that Drake. What's calling my phone? What's calling?
That is such a TikTok song. For umuntu ebesithi I don't.
It's an elevator song even.
My thing is it's,
Mamela.
the thing is I listen to music. I go and search for artists. I don't go
Sure.
to TikTok. The
Okay.
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 So if you could check my most played music here, so uzifumana ku TikTok. Numbers no videos mbalo. But uDrake kube nguDrake.
Okay, yeah, fair.
So watching, I think when uthetha short, ba uthe watching lo uxelela, yazi ngo1986 kwaqala SABC2.
No, it was a very interesting thought that one that I had.
Oh, what are you watching? Series, movie,
Okay.
documentary.
Dibukela Black Mirror, guys. Have you seen Black Mirror?
I've seen it, but I haven't watched it.
Ne?
I've seen it, yeah.
Series.
He was saying 2011. Ndinjalo ke mna ke ingase ndifumane iseries yakudala ene-seasons
It's a-
Means
ezininzi.
kwenza
So
uba
it's-
ukhangela.
You know?
I like that.
Game of Thrones awambukela?
No, not my vibe.
Oh my god. Okay. I mean, it's not my highlight, but I'm watching Game of Thrones.
Really?
Dikwe. Okay, I was
Wow,
betting
guys.
Dikwanga until kwafa omnye umuntu ndavuya, but
Okay, continue.
I'm watching
2011,
Black
7
Mirror.
seasons. What?
Yeah, that's me. Dim low.
Netflix.
Umzekelo no ephi kanene la series ayino Walt Breaking Bad. Ndithanda ezanto mna guys
enjoy
eza
that.
series zakudala. Sine seasons
like the
ezininzi.
cocaine thing.
Yeah. Guys, it's a really nice series.
Khona
I'll check
series
it out.
abantu abazibukelayo. Not you though, but series abantu abazibukelayo, and I'm like, yabona apha
Usuits ke.
bazama uba elite. Yes.
Suits?
Omncane suthi.
Oh, ndiyamthanda.
Kanye. It was a good one.
Azange mbukela.
Oh.
I never watched one episode.
Suits is like Empire. The minute you stop
Sure.
it, like the minute you stop watching it, going back feels like
Ne?
umsebenzi. Awuzazi noba ubuphele ephi. It's just one of those.
COVID ndabukela How to Get Away with Murder. Sithi yari kanjani le way. Ndambukela namgqiba.
Bro.
Like ndamkhangela ngone yar.
Yeah.
Uvayola mos.
Yeah. Yo, easily one of my faves. Ndingaba abantu ke mna ndithanda i-series zakudala guys ezine-seasons ezininzi and
So that
ndizokhomita.
ungabuqonda.
Hayi mntazana ngomntu wemovie mna because xa iphelile ngofuna ndikhangele enye into. Oh no.
So Black Mirror go.
Yeah, I'm currently watching Black
Season
Mirror.
which season?
I think I'm on season 3, I'm not sure.
How many episodes?
Per
What
season.
Azikho ninzi. Azikho ninzi.
Ingandoni
Episodes
just
zakhona.
just nje overview.
It's about technology guys.
Yeah,
Iyasibonisa
AI.
uba AI ingenza ntoni elifini yethu. Khona enye episode le kanye iye grab attention yam. So kukho le couple ne baye ba involved kwi car accident and then usisi wenzeka something ngenhloko. Now baya kwagqirha kwathiwa hey uba nifuna survive lo muntu masimfake chip. Yabo? Bake ule chip xa siyifakile sikhona indawo angazukwazi uhamba kuzo mhlambi like kuzawuthiwa mhlawumbe uphele lapha emdantsane xa ufuneka uye e-East London funeka
Must be programmed.
funeka usubscribe to
Yeah.
Ulax maybe like there's level to this thing like if you want to travel
ufuna uhamba umane
you must
usubscribe more.
you know
Yo.
it's hectic guys like
Mnandi ne?
and ke ngoku umyeni sikhona nezinye izinto mase umfazi wakhe ngoku wavele wanento ushaya i-ads nje buhleli naye vele mhlawumbe uba you're having a conversation about let's say a cool drink avele ashaya i-ad ye-coke you need to pay uzayiyeka uba ne-adverts you know
That is so crazy.
bro lo myeni ufrustrated because izawuvelaphi le mali yoba mani ndibhatalela zonke eziweyi bade bafika kwipoint ba hayi it's been great like ndikhulule let me buy and the husband was like I bet it's very interesting
Yeah,
guys
okay, so
It's very interesting.
What are you watching?
Watching, damn, I don't know if to call it a rom-com, but it's definitely a drama. It's forever and it's on Netflix. It's got eight episodes. There's no episode that's more than an hour each, so I think it's very good. If you just want to pass time, it's like 40 minutes, 50 minutes max, or
Love it.
45.
Series okanye into?
It's a series. It's got 8 parts. I hope they renew it. Netflix, please do your thing. Renew forever. It's really dope. It's about black love, parenthood, vulnerability.
sure
And I think it also speaks to neurodivergent people, abantu abaku spectrum,
Sure,
basically.
sure.
So it explores that. It
themes as important
important themes,
relevant
man, that are you can't even pass by. Like when you watch it, you can't help but be aware. It's not one of those things it's gonna be woke, but when you watch it, you just feel good and you kind of feel woke because it's like, this is the type of family I want. This is, you watch something and you're like, I want to be this. We need more of this. We like this. It's a good film. Definitely recommend it. Loved it.
2 black high school scholars in Los Angeles navigate first love and intimacy amidst social and parental pressures.
Yes. Yeah. So it's basically a a series that allows black people to just be black people, with them being complicated and having their traumas, but their traumas not being the most important theme in the book.
Okay,
it's
love
definitely
it.
not a Tyler Perry type of thing, where black people can be moneyed and they're not doing anything illegal. They are educated.
Just wild,
yes,
man, don't know.
like the parents are educated. If you're not, you're still living a decent life.
Sure.
You know, our filishi lesser than, because you're not educated. The kids want to be educated. They're going to good schools. Of course, drugs. You know,
Yo, it's always a crime.
I call gangsters. It's just
Yeah.
kids being kids and wanting more for themselves, the family wanting more for their family. It's just really good.
That's nice.
Loved it.
So I'm watching Mobland. I'm on episode 7 ngoku, season 1. Mobland, yeah. La way Ben City ningayazi the last time the episode that never dropped.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, Mobland igama layo. I'm on episode 7. Hey, Phambene la time ayiphambene. So basically it's drugs. Kacheke she overview ka
Yes.
Mobland kwenzela uyifunde.
Sure.
The drug masithi cartel, but ayo cartel man.
Okay.
In an English way they don't make it a cartel. Bangathi ndo Mexicans cartel.
Mafia.
Yeah. Mobland otherwise. They have a man who takes care of business.
Okay.
Who's not family, but they treat him as family.
Sure.
Yeah, so Henry Kamalayo. Mana bimthuma ke bahamba bulela ubani yonke lento yakhona. So now what happened is umfazi wela timer uJames Bond lela timer nguye
Oh, it must be good.
Ela umfazi wela timer
It's good.
Qala iwar yo
Izanayo.
The
Which
cast,
one?
I'm saying, I'm looking at the cast. I'm not even
Oh,
looking
sure.
at.
7
Wow.
episodes. I wish nganini
It's an all-star movie. Everyone here is famous.
Umfazi undenza umsindo. Umzukulwana undenza umsindo. Umfazi kanyala wela timer undenza umsindo. Umfazi kaHenry undenza umsindo.
Abafazi aba.
Mur! Umntana kaHenry ulala nalen mo
Yo, bafethu.
ityapjoshini. Enye ibulewe ngoku ngenxa yomfazi. Umfazi ufonele enemy wathi
Crash Kuyelo.
yeah.
Let me see.
Gunyana lo.
nguHenry lo nguye lo who takes care of business kama lakho nguHenry pha umfazi ke ka James Bond uthi nguHenry lo wenza ubungcobo kodwa nguye ufuna
Who's
ku
trying to
eliminate
protect.
Mur!
You've-
So Mobland leyo 7
the question,
episodes
The
Ndenza
overview:
umsindo.
two mob families clash in a war that threatens to topple empires and lives.
ba perfect ngoba ibeka njalo
Sure.
clean. So
Is
I'm
it like
also watching
Power?
OP Mama ndithethwa ungayithi it's not like anything.
Power book.
Enye yesibini endibukelayo with the Last of Us. Ekumula
Oh,
bensithi
yes,
bana
I've
it
watched
was
it.
weird. It was weird man the episode before le biphume Sunday they abantwana they slept together man. Badala net like they are but man
Slept, is it like...
Sex.
yeah.
Oh.
So one thought lona ubhayithiwe most lo bezifihla bu immune. So what happens is kachekshi kamfundele uyakhona you are better at this. So yabona la way xa ungena for Jackson ungene okay so mhlawumbe uzange waya for Jackson wena. Kodwa xa ungena endaweni okanye phakula ndawo ethenga utywala ungene ijijeke uphinde ungene ijijeke kuba uyongena ngaphakathi. So baleqwa sesa zombies apha. Wangena yacinga.
Yo.
So lo uimmune wasingalo yakhe
Okay.
kuba makutyiwe yona. Lo uncediweyo ucinga fanele ba lo uzawujika beyila zombi. So lawe ibatyile ikufika infect
Okay.
ukhawuleza ujika. So uthe wathi hayi immune I can't believe lo so wahlala okay umgade ngompu ubusuku bonke. Xa efind out nyani ba immune wathi damn ngixela bandi pregnant umithiswe yenye and then ke ngokamfani koko yavuya lo uzaba ngutata baphuzana and then
Hayi.
lo uthatha isandla sika ngobi omnye umntana lapha uthatha isandla sika uB wasifaka phana more how do you watch this ke
hayi.
you were enjoying lento as a family because apparently yabukelwa kakhulu kwezindawo
Sure.
like amanye amazwe abantu watch
eh,
party
yo.
gcwale kwi-pub inoba bebesenza ntoni at that time and ayondi short kubona ba mhlambi like a sex scene kuthiwe nje iqabu mhlambi xa iqala omnye ukukhwelisa umlenze komnye kuyodlalwa anyway
Sure.
no it's right through
Yo.
Gonna more. But this episode is on the Puma. What happened? But hey, kuvele ezinye way man is weird. And yes, man, I don't know, man.
So
I
song
wish.
isithathe series, isithande series up.
I come ndingumuntu wazo mna.
Ne?
Also like
Hayi
yes.
nam series over.
But I'm
movie
watching
any
Warfare.
time.
Warfare samubukela phela kamgqibi because umde and bukela mhlambi 30 minutes ndiphinde ndirest and bukela 20 minutes ndiphinde ndirest.
Sure.
But Warfare movie ndibukelayo. They are currently trapped kodwa bayadutshulwa Iraq macala onke Americans beziyo scout
soldiers.
beziyo checkisha beziyo something
it's always-
kanti zifika kugacelwe zithe xa ziphuma zicinga ufama zo yonke into igrand sigqibile usurvey ba yonke indawo ethini chubomb chimilenze ezithu yalila pha endlini ngaphakathi besanofaka sedation ngokube sedate oba wena ezanhlungu but like emotional roller coaster kwayona man
Bese nimbukela uG20?
Yes, the movie.
ngambukela
Nama nikambukela.
I
so
liked-
masibukela uG20 kwenzela ba
I watched
some
it.
review
Okay, so
after
yeah.
oh
You know
yeah
Viola Davis.
Yeah, and
andibone nje ipicture echaza about Violet Davis is violent
I think I like a series eziphuma ngoku, especially 2025, because for me, especially it says about dropper another episode. Because for me, it's
series?
easier. No, it's a movie.
Oh.
I'm talking about a series.
Sure.
Since bested our love for series. Watutande zakdal. I like that with Ezanguku, iyaphuma next week, so I'm able to just keep up, you know,
and now your
not
patience.
and fall back. Because
When-
with Game of
Ngiyathanda
Thrones,
binge watch amna guys.
I'm watching Game of Thrones. I'm on season 4. Like, I think I dread it because, oh my God, it's like,
Yeah.
And I always think I have more time. If I don't watch it now, I'll watch it later. But I know, it's just one episode.
And then
And then
you
it
move
keeps
on
me
with your
excited
life.
for the next.
No.
With a long one, I'm like, whoa.
Ndifuna
Okay,
loo nto
man,
kanye.
ngibukele enye into. Zaphinda ndibuye, man, ayipheli. And then I
Oh.
just never
Go
finish
back,
it because
okay.
I kept prolonging it and thinking, oh my God, it's gonna be there for a while. This is what I did with
cala nje uyocofa okugqibela because
Sarecord?
yeah
Singabethe yesibini?
you know episode
Yeah.
do you want to do another one
I mean, we kind of had a lot to talk about. Or you can post one and choose the one you like the most. I don't know.
do you want okay let's close this off okay we have 2 minutes
Okay.
closing remarks
Closing remarks. I'm really proud of the South African cinematic or movie industry. I think you guys are doing really great. Niyazama man, you know?
Yeah.
Like when you watch a South African production, you feel good. You're like, oh my God, you guys are actually doing the most. The quality is there, story, lines,
Not so much.
2 minutes
8 out of 10, but it's going there. It's going there. I'm very proud of South African creators at the moment. I think we are breaking boundaries, innovating, and there's a lot to look forward to. Yeah.
Hayi, watye onke umni now. Andifuna nowaxopa.
okay
Man masisose sivele siyibamba apho nto zakuthi.
Sisters
Those are
at dance.
good. Yeah. This has been the Nayful Podcast Players Edition. We are out.
This podcast has been proudly brought to you by Leptronic Solutions, recorded at the Block Studios. And if you want to use our facilities, get in touch with us on all our social media platforms, Leptronic Solutions. Email us admin@leptronicsol.com.